Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a basic prime or composite calculator in Java. So basically, we're doing a project where we enter a number and the computer tells us whether it's a prime number or a composite. So if you don't know already what it is, like a prime number is a number that only can be divided by itself and one, and composite is a number that can be divided by other numbers. And by the way, you can't divide them by decimals. You can only divide them by whole numbers. And yeah, you cannot enter decimal numbers for prime and composite. So anyways, let's begin our code here. So what we'll do first is go here and do import Java. Let me fix this. Okay, dot util dot asterisk, and then we'll move here to public class Java 18. We'll move this to the I here, and we'll delete this and start our code. We'll do scanner s equals new scanner, and then we'll do system dot in plus semicolon here. Okay, wait, let me fix this here. Okay, let me fix this again here. Okay, so now we'll move on to the next line here, and then we'll do while true, and then we'll put this here and do system dot out dot println, and then here we'll type, actually no, we'll remove the ln, we'll just do system dot out dot print, and then we'll do enter number. Okay, now let's type a semicolon to end this code, and now let's do try this here, and then we'll do int n equals integer dot parse int, and then we'll do s dot next line, and we'll delete this. Well, let me check the code here. Okay, let me just check this real quick here. And okay, and we can move on. Wait, let me just check this here. Oh yeah, I made a mistake here. I need to put uppercase here, and we can move on. So next we will type if, and then we will do n is less than 2, and then we will do system dot out dot println, and then here we will do prime, we'll do not prime, and here we'll type must be over 2. So semicolon here. Okay. And then here we will type continue under here. Okay, plus semicolon. And then here we will put this back. Okay, we'll put this under the if. Okay, so now let's go on to the next part. Let's type Boolean prime equals, wait, let me fix this. Boolean prime equals true. Now let's do for int I equals 2 with a semicolon at the end. Then we'll do I less than equals. And then here we'll type math.sqrt here. And then we'll put n. And we'll put a space there with a semicolon and then a space. And then we'll do I plus plus. Okay. Wait, let me just check this real quick. Okay, so then here we'll do if n percent, if n percent I double equals 0, and then let's do prime equals false. And then we'll do system dot out dot print ln prime question mark after here. Then we'll do prime like this. And then here we'll put this here. And then here we'll type not prime. And then here we'll type composite. And there we go. Now we put this here and put this here. And okay. Now let me just go here and fix this. Okay, then I'll do catch exception E here. And then we'll put this here. And then we'll do system dot out dot print ln invalid. Wait, let me fix this here. Okay, invalid input. Okay, and then we'll put this here. And I guess we're good to go. So let's just run this code here. I already used this code before, so yeah, you guys might have not used the Eclipse from like last lesson or from whenever you used it. So if that doesn't work, just do run as, click one Java application, and there you go. Okay, so first we'll enter a random number. Let's start with the low number so we're sure it works. So 91 is prime. Let's see if it can tell. Wait, let me 89. Okay, let's do 97. Yeah, 97 is prime. Let's enter 91 again. I think 91 is prime. Yeah, let's just like, well, let me type 83 and let's just type some random stuff like maybe 89 and maybe 94. Okay, so apparently this thing works. Let's just like do like 101. Yeah, 101 is prime. And let's just type other numbers like 2, 17, and let's now type like 28, which is composite. Okay? So yeah, I guess this thing works. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's like lesson about the prime composite calculator. If you guys enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this with your friends for more tutorials about coding and a bunch of other stuff. Thank you guys once again for watching today's lesson, and I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Until then, have a great day.